Hi guys, this is JSNO.com and I'm here with the ASUS ZenFone Max Plus. In some countries they also know it as the ASUS ZenFone Max Plus M1 or the ZB570TL. I know it's a mouthful, and we're here with the unboxing of the phone. You can already tell it has a dual camera from this logo here. So let's have a look. All covered up in plastic. We have here the handset. It's supposed to be sort of a combo. Some people may call it a midranger, other sort of battery phone. And here we have it. Dual camera phone, 5.7 incher, all covered in metal. And the price tag should be around $350, but in some parts of the world it's only $230 on Amazon, for example. Not bad looking, that's my first impression. It was among the first phones from ASUS to have an 18:9 aspect ratio screen and also very narrow bezels, if not the first. Now let's see what's inside the box of the ASUS ZenFone Max Plus. So here we go, a GSM.com unboxing. We got here the manual, user guide and so forth, of course the warranty as well. Then we find the cable. It's of the micro USB to full USB variety. We proceed to a hefty charger. It charges, oh my god, I cannot see it, so small, the text. I expect something like, yes indeed, 5 volts and 2 amperes, gotta get some glasses. And then an adapter from micro USB to full USB. It's a typical USB OTG dongle and a bunch of headphones, which are actually not bad looking. May remind you of some headphones bundled with the maybe ZenFone 3 or ZenFone 2. Plugs for them and a special metal key here used to access the slots. Okay, so these are the accessories. We have them here beautifully, and let's see what the phone offers us. So I have to say that this handset comes with a metal body and a 5.7 inch screen with an 80% ratio and a resolution that's Full HD+. We got a fingerprint scanner placed at the back side of the handset, a 2.5D panel up front, and overall the thickness is around 8.8 millimeters. By the way, nicely shaped buttons here, very discreet integration. And we have a handset here that weighs 160 grams, not bad. The CPU is a MediaTek one, the MediaTek MT6750T, accompanied by 2, 3 or 4 gigabytes of RAM, so there are multiple versions of the phone. We have the 3 gigabyte RAM version, and speaking of versions, in some parts of the world it comes with 32 gigabytes of storage, in others 64, and others even 16. We have the 32 gigabytes one. It's a dual SIM LTE affair, and the setup has just started. Okay, next, agree. Okay, we're going to install updates, which may take a while. Next, again, things are feeling pretty snappy. We have face recognition and fingerprint scanner to keep things secure. You can already start telling we are dealing with Zen UI on top of Android. You can redeem stuff, special offers, and voila, this is Zen UI on top of Android. We're getting here a 4130 mAh battery with fast charging. The adapter is a 5 volt, 2 ampere, 10 watt one. And this is Android Nougat with Zen UI 4.0 applied on top. We have quite a few apps, but much less than we saw before. And an interesting approach here, one that will make many people happy. We have a triple slot approach. So nano SIM and micro SD. There's LTE category 4, and I think it's the moment to address the cameras. So let's go to the backside for a bit. We have a combo of 16 and 8 megapixels. The 16 one has an f2.0 aperture, and the 8 megapixel one is a 120-degree wide angle shooter. And we also have an LED flash here. There's an audio jack at the top, rest assured no problem there. Speakers and micro USB port. At the front we have an 8 megapixel camera, in some countries even 16 megapixels. And there's also FM radio and dual microphones. The phone is available in gold, silver or black. It has a ton of customization options related to the icon, size, arrangement, alignment, effects, icon label, and so much more. And as usual, I'm going to go to the camera to see what's new in this Zen UI. First of all, you can swap between lenses, wide angle and normal. The interface is basically just as we left it on the ZenFone 4. Quite a lot of angle caught with that one, quite a lot of details. We got options here, resolution, timestamp. You can shoot videos up to full HD, no love for 4K this time around. And the modes, really looking forward to the modes. This is the Pro mode with a lot of tweaks to perform. And here are the modes. There's beauty, super resolution, which is a 16 megapixel shot, panorama, GIF, time-lapse, and I'm sure you can download more. In a nutshell, this has been the unboxing of the ASUS ZenFone Max Plus M1. It's priced at around, well, in some countries $230 and in most countries 300 plus, 350 or so. So mid-range phone with, I'm sure, what's supposed to be a good battery, and I have a good feeling about this camera. This is it from gsnhome.com. Bye bye.